I can tell you that one thing about my Entegra GSE 32U that I hated was the green gas caps being exposed, because everything on this is blacked out. And if you have a Class C motorhome or a Super C motorhome, you're gonna wanna do this because gas is really expensive. Check this out. This is from Fuel Vault. This is a locking gas cap. It's not a locking gas cap, but it's the whole cover. And I'm like that better because I don't even want to see the gas caps. It's like out of sight, out of mind. And what's nice is this still fit really nice on there, even though the slide out is right there as well. No problems whatsoever. Awesome, super clean, because we got rid of all the stickers on the side of this motorhome. And I feel like that just finishes it off. And especially with diesel being like $7 a gallon, I don't want you to be able to steal my diesel fuel. This is another Entegra, and what's cool about this, check this out. So this is a normal Class C. Look how clean this looks. Boom. And what is awesome about this product is just how easy it is to install the RV Fuel Vault. I might as well just show you how easy it is to install. There's the WeldTec Designs Class C 24B. Look at this on the 24B. Boom. We're putting these on everything. Like, it's just so clean. Look at it, see? Look how much nicer that would look not seeing that. I'm gonna do a coupon code in this video in the description down below, so that way for a limited time you can go get like 10% off. You can see I got my tools out here. I'm ready to go. I got 2 brand new doors. But yeah, this is what it looked like before. Like, it's just not sexy. Now on this side, you can see that I actually installed these big fenders on the back of this to run those 37-inch tires, because originally, obviously, on this is the East to West Bravada, it wasn't big enough. You know, the wheel wells weren't big enough. I'm gonna show you guys just how quick it is to install one of these things. So when you look at this bit, it looks like it is a Torx. It's actually a square head bit that fits right in there. All right, screws all out. Boom. In your packaging, fuel, the locking RV fuel door. Boom. So RV Fuel Vault, the RV Fuel Vault. So there is your door. There is your hardware and your keys. Now what's really cool about this is if you do the double, then the same key is gonna work on both doors and you're going to get extra keys. So I'm gonna drop that out. We don't need the key right now. We just have our hardware, and in the hardware pack as well is going to come with the new, because these have a security bit so you're not stealing the whole deal, and then it also comes with the bit in order to swap that out. So we're gonna remove our square bit. One other thing I would always recommend, put the door so that the hinge is on the front of the motorhome, because the last thing you want to do is put it like this and now this is flopping open. At least if you didn't lock it, it's going, the hinge is going to be this way, the wind is going to be pushing it the other way. And I'm just going to get that started, and then I'm going to go ahead and do another one in the opposite corner. And before I tighten all these down, I'm going to get just a couple of them. I mean, this is like too simple to install. And it's like, you can just install this in your driveway with just, I mean, hell, you could go install this at your camper. Boom, look at that, done, installed. I mean, this is like a couple minute deal. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the key in, look at that, boom, there's our diesel. And what I was saying is, yeah, the wind would hit it, boom. Like, this is just too nice. Now no one is going to be stealing my diesel fuel, and that's what I'm excited about. So you can't tell me that you would rather have this look than this look. Come on, let's look at that right there. That's a no-brainer, guys. I mean, not to mention your diesel's locked up, but just from an aesthetic point of view, that just looks like a million times better. I love it. RV fuel door. We have these on the website now. I will put the link to our website as well as a 10% off coupon code down below in the link. One more cool thing from WeldTec Designs. See you guys in the next video.